Navigating your Cryptoloc cloud couldn't be easier. When you log into your Cryptoloc cloud, you'll be taken to the homepage. In the top right corner of the homepage, you'll see your account name, your notifications, and the search function. Clicking your account name will enable you to access and review information about your account. Clicking My Account will provide you with an overview of your account, including the status of your storage allocation and your payment history. If you have a business account, you'll see your team name and the number of members linked to your team here. More detailed information about your account details, your plan and activity, your payments, and your privacy and security can be accessed by selecting those menu items. The main menu items are listed on the left-hand side of the homepage. Your cloud is structured using groups, which is similar to directories on your PC. Within these groups, you can add folders and files. From the home screen, you can also manage your private key, access useful FAQs, and log support queries. You can import data into your cloud manually or automatically. To import data manually, click Add Folder and name your new folder. You can manually import as many or as few of your folders as you like. Once the folders have been created, you can start adding files to them simply by clicking Add Files. You can load multiple files at the one time. Just select the file and press Upload. You can also add data to your Cryptoloc cloud automatically using Cryptoloc's Cloud Sync app. After downloading the Sync app, simply open the application on your computer, enter your Cryptoloc cloud password, and log in. On your PC, go to Windows File Explorer, where your Cryptoloc cloud groups are located. Select the folder or files you wish to upload into the cloud, and either move or copy them into the group you wish them to be located in. Go to the Sync app and sync the group in which you just placed the folder or files. When the sync is completed, the folder or files will appear in the group you selected. The folder or file will now be automatically updated each time a sync is performed. The Sync app defaults itself to updating every 60 minutes, but shorter times can be selected in settings. Manual syncs can also be performed by clicking Sync All Now. You can see the details of recent updates by viewing your logs. Depending on the number of folders and files you import into your cloud, your initial sync may take a longer period of time than normal. With each sync, the groups you've chosen will be updated across your cloud, so you can work seamlessly across all your devices. Finally, you can also remove folders and files from your cloud by simply deleting them. With our business plans, you have the option of being an individual user, or you can form a team. Individual accounts are those where a single user signs up and establishes an account. To create a team, a single user creates their account and then invites other people to join. The initial user becomes the team owner, and the invitees become team members. The team have their own shared cloud, where each individual member can be assigned to multiple groups and granted different permission levels within each group. You can't join a team if you have an existing individual account. The Teams function enables members to efficiently collaborate together through a common cloud where files don't have to be individually shared. It also enables a business to control and monitor team member access to information. Let's create a team. Click Team and then Add User. Enter the new user's email address and invite them to join. Your new user will receive an email inviting them to join your team. Once your team members have created their accounts, you can add them to your groups. To create a new group, just click Plus Groups. A group is similar to a directory, and can be used to contain folders and files. To edit a group name, hit the Edit button and enter the new name. You can grant team members access to a group and allocate different roles and permissions to each user within a group. Document management is another useful feature for Teams accounts, making it easy for multiple people to collaborate on the same files. Document management can be enabled by group leaders and business admins. Document management allows users with update permissions to check out a file. This ensures that other users can't check out or update the file whilst the file is checked out, reducing the risk of multiple users making conflicting changes. When the file is checked out, other users can request that it be checked back in. If the user who has the file checked out isn't available, leaders can cancel the checkout. Once you've made your updates, save a copy of the file and select the updated file. Click on Check In. The file is now available to be accessed by other users again. Document management can also be disabled by group leaders and business admins. Your Cryptoloc cloud doesn't just securely store your data, it gives you all the tools you need to manage your data too. When you hover over a file in your cloud, a list of the options available to you will be displayed. You can choose to edit, share, move, download, sign or delete a file, set reminders, add notes, and check the file in or out if document management is enabled. To edit a file name, click Edit. To share a file directly and securely from your cloud, click Share. You'll be asked to enter your password and the email address of the person you want to share the file with. If they have a Cryptoloc Cloud account, the system will recognize their details and notify them that you've shared the file. If they don't have a Cryptoloc Cloud account, you can still share files securely, either directly from your Cryptoloc Cloud using Secure Share or from Microsoft Outlook. Using Secure Share, enter the details of the person you want to share the file with. You can also enter a date from which the link will expire, and the recipient will no longer be able to view it. If you're using Cryptoloc Send and Sign with Microsoft Outlook, open a new email and enter the address of the person you want to share the document with. Click the Cryptoloc Send and Sign icon in your menu bar, enter your password, and click Connect. Select the file you wish to share from either your desktop or Cryptoloc Cloud, and hit Send. The recipient will receive an email with a link to the document. Before they can view, download, or sign it, they'll have to enter a code sent via SMS to their mobile device. This is part of our secure multi-factor authentication process to ensure that only the people you choose can access your files. You can also move files within your cloud, just as you would in Windows Explorer or Apple's Finder. Just click Move and select the folder you want to move the file to. To add your electronic signature to a file, just click Sign, then click Sign File. An electronic signature and timestamp have now been generated and attached to the file. These can be viewed anytime by clicking on the file name. A confirmation of signature will be emailed to both you and the document owner for your records. You can also download a copy of the certificate at any time by clicking on the View Signature icon. Another useful option is the Reminder feature. Just click Reminder and enter the date from which you want the reminder to start, the frequency of the reminder, and how you want to receive the reminder. Users can also download an earlier version of a file, add notes to a file, and delete files. Deleted files can be recovered at a cost. Finally, the Shared with Me section of the main menu lists the files other Cryptoloc users have shared with you. Here, you can view the files and the actions that have been requested by the sender. You can update a file by downloading it, making the necessary changes, and then uploading the saved version back into the cloud. The document owner will receive a notification to let them know you've completed the requested actions. Your Cryptoloc cloud keeps a copy of every version of your files. Whenever a change is made, a new version is recorded and added to that file's history. This ensures you always have access to a file's full lifecycle, so if the latest version is corrupted or lost, you can revert back to any previous version you like. Cryptoloc Cloud also records an audit trail for every version of every file. This enables you to see who created the file, who downloaded the file, who the file has been shared with, who has signed it, and who has made changes to it over time. There are two ways you can request digital signatures using your Cryptoloc cloud, either directly from the cloud or via Microsoft Outlook. To request a signature through the cloud platform, simply go to the file you want signed and click Share. Enter your password, select the user you want to sign the file, click Sign, and then click Apply. Notice that the file is now marked with an outstanding action item. You can see the details of the action item by clicking on the file name. Once the recipient has signed the file, you'll receive an email notification, and the file in your Cryptoloc cloud will automatically update. To request a signature using Microsoft Outlook with Cryptoloc Send and Sign, open a new email and enter the address of the person you want to sign the document. Click the Cryptoloc Send and Sign icon in your menu bar, enter your password, and click Connect. Select the file you want signed from either your desktop or Cryptoloc cloud, and give the recipient permission to sign the doc. Then, simply secure your files, add the file to your email, and hit Send. You'll be notified once the recipient has signed the file. Cryptoloc Cloud's workflow function helps you stay on top of your day-to-day tasks and manage your business processes. With workflow, you can transform any process into a series of simple tasks, assign these tasks to individuals, and use notifications to ensure everything's on track. To create a workflow, select Workflow Builder. Name your workflow and choose your workflow folder location. This is where all the files and documentation connected to this workflow will be stored. Choose the people you want to be part of the workflow and choose when the workflow will start. Create each stage of the workflow by giving it a name. And then add tasks to each stage. You can select from a range of tasks and assign a specific user to it. You can assign a label to that task, select a folder for it, leave instructions for the assigned user, identify any other users who can take on the task if the assigned user is unavailable, and enter an alert date to be notified if the task is not completed. Once all the details have been entered, hit Save. The task will then appear within the stage. You can continue adding as many tasks and stages as you need to cover your workflow. Once you're happy with your workflow, you can get it underway by hitting Confirm and Start. It'll then move to Workflow Manager, and the person assigned to the first task will receive a notification. You can also save your workflow as a draft or make a copy. This is useful if you have a periodically recurring workflow where the stages and the tasks remain constant, but the dates need to be changed.